Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A78. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet and now tap Add to Wallet button. Focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty, and now select Loyalty program you are participating in. Scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty card, because you have to select the shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.